my channel. My name is Passion, and I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite candles that I have in my collection. I really love candles, and so I have 5 candles here that I think you need to have in your candle collection, right? So you need these candles to have your house smelling good, to have your room smelling good, the bathroom, work, whatever it is that you burn candles. So the first candle that I want to show you guys is the Coconut Beach candle from Yankee Candle. This is how it looks. You guys, this candle smells really good. It's a really light scent. So this isn't one that has a super strong throw, but it does have a really sweet smelling scent. It smells like coconut. It smells like the beach. It smells like vacation. I burn this candle at work because my office is pretty small. So when I close the door and have this candle going, you can smell it because it's a smaller area. Maybe it will smell really good in your bedroom or the bathroom. I don't think that you could burn this in like a really big room and smell a lot of it because it's really light. But you guys, this candle smells so good. Like so good. It smells very tropical, very Caribbean. When I smell this, I get island vibes. It smells so good, you guys. The next candle that I want to show you guys is the Tiki Beach candle from White Barn. Here are the notes. You guys, this candle smells so good. It smells very warm. It smells like coconut. It smells like musk. I love this candle. This is my favorite White Barn candle of all time. Every time I go into White Barn to get a new candle, I make sure I pick up one of these. It makes your house smell very homey. It makes your house smell very comfortable. I love it. It relaxes me. This candle makes me feel so comfortable and it makes me feel so relaxed. And that's because White Barn candles have essential oils in them as well. And I think it's the essential oils that makes me feel so calm and cool when I burn them. So if you really like warm coconut scents, then I would highly suggest you pick this one up the next time you go into White Barn. So with White Barn, Tiki Beach is number 1, and then Fiji White Sands is number 2. These are the notes. Remember to always smell the lid if you want to get an idea of how it's going to smell in your space. This candle smells so good. I love the mixture of the sugar cane and the sandalwood. I think they go really well together. This scent smells very sophisticated. It smells very luxurious. I think this is a very luxurious scent, and I love it. This is definitely number 2 on my favorite White Barn candle list. It smells absolutely amazing, you guys. I have this in the wallflowers. I have this in the single wick, and I also have it in the 3 wick because it smells that good. It smells really good, you guys. I promise you will love this one. The next candle from White Barn that I want to show you guys is Mahogany Teakwood. And here are the notes. This is a very mature and sophisticated scent as well. It's a very masculine scent. So I do know a lot of people that don't like this scent, but you guys, I promise y'all need to get this scent. You need to have Mahogany Teakwood burning in your house. This elevates scents. I just feel like Mahogany Teakwood is a candle that will elevate any other scent. So when you burn them in conjunction with one another, it just smells so sophisticated and so elegant. This is an amazing smelling candle. You need this candle, okay? It just smells so good, you guys. It smells very masculine, but it also just smells good. You guys, this is a classy scent in my opinion. When you burn this, it will make your house smell sophisticated. It will make your house smell classy, and it will make it smell very grown. Okay, if you have this burning in your house, I know that you are grown. You are a grown woman, you are a grown man, you are a grown person if you have Mahogany Teakwood burning in your house. The next candle that I would like to show you guys is Gardenia Petals from DW Home. These are the notes. You guys, this is a very feminine floral scent. It smells very feminine. It smells very classy. And I really like this. I think it's a very elegant scent. It's sophisticated. Pick this up if you like sweet florals. It has some fruit notes in it as well. When I smell it, I don't really get any of those fruit notes, but I do get the florals and I do get the sweetness of the florals. You guys check this candle out. I think you will really like it. It smells so clean and it smells so classy and just so feminine. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know some candles that I should check out. I get my candles from White Barn. I get my candles from Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx, Yankee Candle. I love candles, so recommend some candles below and let me know which ones I should check out. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!